Hey, to add extensions into your Opera GX, all you have to do is just to input new tab, and for example in the Google search engine input this phrase, extensions Opera GX. Now you will have to open this Opera add-ons extensions and you will be welcome with these screens. That's how it actually looks. And as you can see, I just simply click on the translator, I click to get it, and now I can find this extension on the left side. So you can do this for any other extension, like for example, let's try to get the Opera cashback. Click on it. Now click to add to the Opera. There we go. And now this extension appears actually in the right bottom corner next to the other extensions. And as you can see, by clicking here, we can actually pin them and get them on this bar. So you can also click to manage extensions. And from here, you can allow also extensions in the incognito mode, allow access to the search page results. As you can see, we can find a lot of different extensions that we can turn on and off by clicking, for example, on this switchers. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.